Hello and welcome to Business 101, a quick course tour. So when you land on this course, you'll see the announcements right here, the calendar and with the upcoming events, as well as an activity feed that you must read in order to participate in the classroom discussion. So let's check out the content next. The first thing you have to do is to click on Meet Your Instructor module. You'll see all my contact information, my student hours, and how to make an appointment with me, and my most preferred method of communication, as well as a quick FAQs regarding your assignments and announcements and grades. Next stop is your Start Here Must Read module, where you'll see a quick course tour, course syllabus, the policies for this course, a communication plan, a course schedule, and then the support center links, important dates on your academic calendar, the Zoom information, and a couple of to-dos before you start the course. So let's take a look at the course schedule. You'll see the week that we're in, the topics that are going to be covered, and the assignments that are due. Each week is laid out in a very similar structure. If you click on week 1, it will give you a quick overview of that week with the learning materials we're going to cover in the class, as well as the to-dos for that week. So this is how every week is structured. If you look, there's a learning material and a to-do. You'll also notice the 3 big assignments for this course: the ethical assignment, the business review project, and the resume writing project. Each module will have specific instructions as to how to complete that assignment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.